Hi everyone, Stephanie here. I'm so excited because I just got this tabletop water display, this water fountain in, and so I'm really excited to get it going and see exactly what it looks like. So here's a little bit of a closer look at the actual fountain. We have a light down here, a few tiers, so that's nice. It's going to make for a really nice water sound. And then of course you have your power plug, and it's actually attached to the pump here. So if you take a look at the back, you've got this opening here. This is where you're going to hook up your pump so the air can flow through. This is part of the power plug. So you attach this right here, so it has power, and then you're going to attach the end of this hose right here to the power, to the pump right here. Now that everything's attached, you can put everything back into this little cubby, and you fill your water in back here. Then plug it up, and the water is going to start pumping through. There. Ooh, now I got 2 layers up here. How lovely is that? And this is what it looks like with the lights, or most of the lights off here in my kitchen. This is so beautiful. And if you'll listen, there's barely any noise at all. Just the relaxing sounds of the water. I love this. So relaxing. This would be great in an office, in a bedroom, in a classroom, really anywhere where you just want to give that zen feeling, and running water is a great way to do that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this review helpful. This is a 10 out of 10 for me, guys. I just think it's beautiful, and the water is running so nicely. It's uniform all the way throughout. Perfect, perfect.